Hello everyone, welcome to MES e-learning channel. Today we will see the chargeability of income under Indian Income Tax Act 1961. Income tax is known as direct tax because every income earner pays this tax to government directly. Chargeability of income under Indian Income Tax Act depends on two things. First is residential status of the person and second, nature of income. Now this entire thing I can fit into one small table. Residential status of person divided into three categories. First, that person can be resident and ordinary resident. Second, that person can be resident and not ordinary resident. Third, that person can be non-resident. So these are three categories for the residential status of the person. Now nature of income, it can be Indian income or it can be foreign income. Indian income is that income which is accrued, received, deemed to accrue, deemed to receive in India. Foreign income definition is very easy. Income which is not Indian income is foreign income. Indian income is taxable irrespective of the residential status of the person. So if any income earned in India, received in India, deemed to earn in India, deemed to received in India will be taxable to any kind of residential status. Now, foreign income. The person who is resident and ordinary resident in India, for him the world income is taxable. So whether he is earning in India, receiving in India or outside India, it is going to be taxable for him. So you have to pay tax on that. For non-resident foreign income, the income which is not accrued, not received in India is not going to be taxable. So for non-resident, foreign income is not taxable in India. Now for resident and ordinary resident, not ordinary resident, foreign income is not taxable in India, but there is a small star mark over here. Now that star mark means any business or professional income if business set up in India or professional set up in India, then only this income is taxable. Otherwise, for resident and not ordinary resident, foreign income is not taxable in India. So you can use this table and you can easily determine the chargeability of income in India. Thank you everyone.